Hey guys, we're taking a look at a Skyline 16 by 66. This is one of the Prairie Dune models. So there's a 16 wide home. It's I think it's a 2-bed. I think it's a 2-bed, 2-bath. We'll see. Here is the standard hardwood cabinet, one of the 3 different hardwood cabinets you get to choose from. So this is real wood. This is solid oak. All right. Doors. All right. Your fridge and your stove come standard. The dishwasher is extra. This island is standard. This is a standard, this is an upgraded 8-inch double sink. Standard is 6-inch deep. You've got thermal windows throughout. Those were upgraded. This is an upgraded 9-light back door as opposed to just a standard 6-panel steel door. Every manufacturer has different standards in each one of their homes, okay? So just call us and we'll kind of explain what those are. What you can see in this home, what will make sense in a second, there's drywall in the living areas. So there's drywall here in the living room and in the kitchen, but when we get back to this back bedroom, it goes to VOG. VOG is this stuff with the batten strips, okay? The reason you do that is to save some money. It's cheaper to have VOG. VOG is the standard. It's an upgrade to go to drywall. It's about $225 per room to go to drywall. So to save a little bit of money, sometimes you can just leave it VOG. All right. And when you go drywall with the Skyline home, you get this cove molding as opposed to a flat panel piece of trim. You actually get this cove, and then this baseboard. This is an upgrade, but this is around $150, $200 a home to add this base cove as well. Okay, so these are 2 big pieces of trim. Really makes the home stand out. All right. This is a standard linoleum entryway, so when you come in your front door, as opposed to dusting your feet off on the carpet, you're on this lino, right? So that's something standard with Skyline as well. These little features kind of make up all the difference. This is a 3-bedroom. Here's one of the bedrooms, and again, they've got the VOG as opposed to the drywall. Here's another bedroom, and again, VOG. And do notice, vaulted ceilings. You have the option to choose between flat ceilings, 8-foot flat, or 8-foot vault. Okay, just a matter of preference. Some people like the vault, some people like the flat.